Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Wrangler versus the Lada Niva. We'll dive into what makes these two iconic off-roaders unique, exploring their distinct design philosophies and engineering approaches. The Wrangler is known for its rugged American heritage, while the Niva boasts a reputation for simplicity and surprising capability from its Russian roots. We'll examine their strengths and weaknesses to help you decide which one might be the better fit for your adventures. When it comes to tackling tough trails, both vehicles shine, but in different ways. The Jeep Wrangler often boasts superior ground clearance and articulation, thanks to its robust body-on-frame design and available locking differentials. The Lada Niva, however, offers impressive agility with its smaller footprint and permanent four-wheel drive system, which includes a low-range gearbox and a center differential lock. Each provides a distinct approach to conquering challenging off-road conditions. Beyond the trails, practicality and value become key considerations. The Jeep Wrangler often provides a more refined on-road experience, with greater passenger comfort and advanced technology features. Conversely, the Lada Niva is celebrated for its straightforward, no-frills design, which translates to lower purchase prices and simpler, more economical maintenance. While neither is a fuel economy champion, their utility and purpose-built nature define their value proposition. Both the Wrangler and the Niva inspire passionate communities and extensive customization. The Jeep Wrangler boasts an unparalleled aftermarket, offering countless ways to personalize and enhance its off-road capabilities or aesthetic. The Lada Niva, while having a smaller market, still enjoys a strong, loyal following that creatively adapts and maintains these resilient vehicles. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.